students, welcome to Phonics Academy online class grade 5 in which we have to study unit number 1 whole number and its operation exercise 1C question number 6 and 7. So all the students open your book number 7C and also open your notebook. So let's start our today lecture. Question number 6, let the following number multiply the following number by 1000. In the question number 6, they say that the numbers we are given below the following number you have multiply by 1000. So question A is 61,850. You only have to in a statement they say that multiply by 1000. So we have to do a multiplication this number by 1000. So according to this 61,850 multiply by 1000. So when you have multiply 0 multiply by 0, 0 multiply by 5, 0, 0, 8 are 0, 0, 1 are 0 and 0, 6 are 0. As per rule of a multiplication, when you have multiply its number, given number to a multiplier, you have put multiplication sign, one multiplication sign if you have multiply by second number. So put your first value below on your right side, then you multiply it by this number 61,850 by 0, the value is 0. Then 8, 0, 5 are 0, 0, 8 are 0, 0, 1 are 0 and 0, 6 are 0. After when you have a multiply your third number by your given value, you have put the two multiplication sign. Multiplication given below to the first two value from the right side. Then you have multiply your number 0, 0 are 0, 0, 5 are 0, 0, 8 are 0, 0, 1 are 0 and 0, 6 are 0. Then you have four multiplication of your number. Put your three multiplication sign on in the right way in which the three given values. Then you have multiply your 1 by the given number. 1 0 are 0, 1 5 are 5 and 8 are 8, 1 1 are 1 and 1 6 are 6. After to multiply your odd number, you have added these all values. That's we have to multiply the four given number. So when you have added 0 0 0 0 5 8 plus 0 0 8 and 1 plus 0 is 1 and 6 equal. So the value is made 61,850,000. Okay, the value is made 61,850,000. So answer is 61,850,000. Next question number B, 2001 and multiply by 1000. 0 when you have multiply your value with 0, the answer is equal to 0. So the all values to be a 0. Next to be a multiply your second value, put the sign of multiplication. Then you have repeat this method. You have multiply this all number by 0. When you have to multiply this all number with 0, the answer is all number is 0. Then you have multiply your third number. They put the multiplication sign below the value from the right part first two values. Then you multiply your third 0 from this all this number. When you have multiplied the 0 of this given number, the answer of the all number is equal to 0. After that, when you have multiply your 1, first you put your triple multiplication sign from the right way of the given values. Then you have multiply by 1. This value multiply by 1. 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0 and 1 2 is 2. After that, the multiplication you have added this all number, that the number is equal to 20,018,000. 20,018,000. Let's start question number 7. They say that divide the following number by 10. That's the numbers we are given. You have to divide this number by 10. When you have divided this number, the question number A is equal to 47,080. So student, look at this rough value is we have to put the inside 47,080 divided by 10. 10 for firstly we have divided this number on first two values. So 10 4 is 40. That's the remainder is 7. Then you have take your next value 0. It's make a 70. 10 7 is 70. It's nothing else the remainder. Then when you take your next number is 8. But the 8 is not completely dividable on the table of 10. So when you take a second number, you firstly put your 0 in your question. That be sure that you take a double value. Be remember that when you take a double value in a and you firstly have after to first value you have put 0 in question, then you take a second value. That show that you have take a both numbers comparely. So when you have divided 10 8 is 80. So the remainder is 0. the answer is equal to 4,708. Then question number C, 94,210. When you are divided that with this method, two values number you have divided, two values number 10 9s are 90, 4 is a remainder, then you take a second value 2, that's a 10 4s are 40. The remainder is 2, then you take a 1, 2 of 10 2s are 20, that's a remainder 1, you take a 0, that's a 10 10 1s are 10 and its remainder is 0. So the answer is equal to 9421. So student, we remember that when you have multiply, you have put the multiplication sign. If you have multiply the second number, third number, according to this you have multiplication sign. And when you have divided and take a two value, it means that you have put a 1 0 in your question. So all the students, do your class work, complete your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.